my wife, I'm going to Kharagpur today, go to the hospital where I was born. Without telling anyone, I walked around the hospital and counted my blessing. That this is where the journey began, really. And my wife was born in the same hospital, and it was just so beautiful to go back. I don't remember, because I was born there, but every time I was reminded my parents that this is where you were born and this is where journey began. And I sometimes wonder whether they had money to pay for my delivery in that hospital. The reason I'm telling you is to say to you, yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. Bill Gates has said it beautifully. When you're born and you're poor, it's not your fault. But don't die poor. And only way you will not die poor is to go and get education, and this is what you're really doing. So my mother was born in Gujarat, in India, never went to school, came to Pakistan, lived with us in England, then in Canada, and then with our family in America. That's where she passed away, and that's where we had to bury her. But when I left for England 54 years ago, 10th of December 1970, 54 years, I remember she was crying at the airport, and crying a lot, asking me, do come back to Pakistan. And I did. And I did. And I told her, I said, don't worry, we will make you very proud one day. And today, that is the mother. That is the mother. So the reason I'm sharing this with you to tell you, my God, you can do it. Really, you can do it. It's okay to be born poor. We can do it. Get out of bed. Work hard as you can. Don't lose time. And at that age, sadly, we had not that much guidance as you have. We didn't have that quality of education which you have. So just for you today, I see students sitting here who are on our scholarship. They are in Aga Khan University Medical School. They are in Faculty of Arts and Science. They are in IED. They are in nursing school. They are in LUMS. They are in Habib University. And they are in IBA. And I'm missing anything, NUS. So these are all the universities. When they finish their high school, they apply for scholarship to go to those universities. And I especially asked them if they could come so you could talk to them. There are medical students. There are students who are in the medical program at AKU in the year, from 1 year to year 4 now. They are sitting here. There are AFS students. Please come and talk to them. There are IBS students. There are LUM students, nursing students, etc. So speak to them. They will guide you how they got this so far, because inshallah you will do the same. Inshallah. You know, yesterday I was with Aga Khan Higher Secondary School, Aga Khan Education Services, and I'm really happy to tell you, I think it has not hit the social media, it should hit any hour, that we agreed to give 500 more scholarship to the students. Where we say, complete education, complete fees and everything, but you have to compete to get into those scholarships. They will run the program, and we have signed this MOU yesterday with the Aga Khan Education Services. Why do we do it? Why do we do this? I think a very learned, very successful businessman asked me, what is it like to make money? And I said to him, it feels good. अच्छा लगता है जब पैसा आना शुरू होता है तो अच्छा लगता है हमें, क्योंकि कभी नहीं था हमारे पास. तो उन्होंने कहा, how do you feel जब बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा आता है? हमने कहा और ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. बहुत अच्छा लगता है। फिर मैंने उससे कहा, ये कैनेडियन था, sorry, I asked this man, I said, आपने मुझे, और you didn't ask me the most important question. उन्होंने कहा, मैंने, I asked you already that जब पैसा नहीं था और आया तो क्या लगा, जब ज़्यादा आया तो क्या लगा। मैंने कहा, आपने important question नहीं पूछा. You have not asked me the most important question. He said, what is the most important question? And the most important question is, what do you do with it now? And that's what Jenabai Award is doing, really. And how can you do more? How can you do more? मैं इसलिए पेरेंट्स यहाँ बैठे हुए इसलिए आपको मैं sorry if I'm speaking in Urdu. Stephen is very good. He has learned the Urdu already, so he understands me. But मैं इसलिए आपसे कह रहा हूँ कि आपके ये बच्चे हैं ना, इंशाल्लाह एक दिन ये करेंगे, इंशाल्लाह आपके नाम का, आपके नाम का, आपके करेंगे। जब आगा खान यूनिवर्सिटी, क्या ब्यूटीफुल यूनिवर्सिटी ये बनी है, क्या क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन दे रहे हैं हमारी मेडिकल आगा खान यूनिवर्सिटी। जो बैठे हुए हैं जो कंपटीशन में विन करके आज आगा खान यूनिवर्सिटी में मेडिकल के स्टूडेंट हैं, तो इंशाल्लाह आप भी कर सकते हो। तो हमारी अम्मी को इंशाल्लाह, हमारी अम्मी को AKU के कॉन्वोकेशन में आना था और आपको इनविटेशन आती है जबकि आपका बच्चा, योर चाइल्ड इज ग्रेजुएटिंग, आपको जिस तरह आज इनविटेशन आई, या आप डोनर हो तो आपको रिकग्नाइज किया जाता है, यू आर रिकग्नाइज टू कम एज ए डोनर। पर हम डोनर भी नहीं थे, हमारे बच्चे, हमको ये यहाँ से क्वालिफाई भी नहीं हुए थे, लेकिन हमारी अम्मी को आना था यहाँ पे। तो इनको डोर पे इन्होंने पूछा कि आप अंदर नहीं जा सकते हो क्योंकि आपके पास कार्ड नहीं है। मैं लंदन में रहता था, मेरी अम्मी ने कहा मुझे अंदर नहीं जाने दिया, लेकिन मुझे वहाँ खड़ा रहने दिया। तो मैं जब हिज हाइनेस आए, चांसलर आए, आगा खान साहब आए, तो मैंने गाड़ी में उनको देखा कि वो आए। उस दिन मैंने रात को एक दुआ मांगी कि इतनी मेहनत कराओ खुदा, इतना मुझे एजुकेट करो कि इंशाल्लाह मेरी अम्मी नेक्स्ट टाइम अंदर जा सकेगी। और आज उनके नाम की यहाँ बिल्डिंग बन गई है। मैं आपको इसलिए कह रहा हूँ कि ये बच्चे बहुत इनोसेंट है, इनका हाथ पकड़ लो, इनको गाइड करो, गाइड देम। They will go so high, they will fly so high, because these are a very proud Pakistani bache. They are very proud Pakistani bache. I think this bache cannot progress without outstanding support from the principals who are sitting here and the teachers. We can't thank you enough, and we don't get that much chance to acknowledge an outstanding work you do to educate these children. So on behalf of them, on behalf of their parents, we say thank you to you. All those who are here, who are teaching us. And you children cannot do without your parents. Join me in giving them a very, very Dr. Naveed, Hanif, and the team. This cannot happen without the commitment you show to the Aga Khan University. Time and time and time again. तो हम एक साल पहले, कुछ महीनों पहले मैंने इनसे कहा कि हम और क्या कर सकते हैं एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड के लिए। तो ये कहते थे हम सोच के आपको बताते हैं, और इनकी एक सीक्रेट है, द सीक्रेट दे हैव कि दे टेक देयर टाइम। बट जब हमें प्रपोजल देते हैं ना तो हमें 5 मिनट लगती है हाँ कहने में, क्योंकि इतना थॉट इट थ्रू इनकी थिंकिंग होती है। तो इन्होंने कहा ये अवार्ड के लिए, मैंने कुछ महीने पहले इनसे कहा कि व्हाट एल्स कैन वी डू, तो इन्होंने कहा ये हमें बताएंगे। कल हमारे साथ बैठ के हमसे इन्होंने शेयर किया कि हम क्या करना चाहते हैं। अगेन हमें 5 मिनट लगे इनको हाँ कहने में कि आप प्लीज़ ये काम करो, ये काम आगे बढ़ाओ, और इंशाल्लाह हम और कुछ भी आगे करेंगे आपके साथ इंशाल्लाह। I wanted to acknowledge the team. अब नवीन भाई, problem only happened that मैं आपके पास से निकला करीमाबाद से and I came to this campus, और ये ज़हरा बहन, हमारी छोटी बहन, already had the pledge form ready for me to sign. And she said, sign this before you go. So Altaf, I don't know if she does to you at home already, but this is what your wife does. Okay, tomorrow is too late, sign it today. So we signed it. We signed it yesterday. Provost, welcome to you. Welcome to the AKU family. And we are really, really looking forward to working with you and all the deans around you who are doing an outstanding job, whether here in Africa and in London and everywhere. So thank you. Thank you to your family. Thank you. Thank you. I know in the life of AKU, it's very little time. You think I've been only president just recently. In AKU, recently means 10 years is also recent because they don't live for 15, 20 years. They are not allowed to live for 15, 20 years. So President Suleiman is outstanding. You are not new to AKU. You are here when this institution began. How much work you did, we all are aware of it. So please convey that our gratitude to Zinat, your beautiful wife, and your family for what you are doing to Aga Khan University. Mr. Fancy, thank you. I see what you do for this university. I had a real privilege to sit with Hamida and sit with Amir Fancy to hear more about Nasra School and what an outstanding job you are doing. Thank you for being partner with the Aga Khan University also. I think in conclusion, those of my students, our students who are on our scholarship, just for your information, in addition to school scholarship, we give the university scholarships also. And this is why these students are here. We currently have about 30 students in LUMS. We have 35 students at IBA. We have 13 students at the medical school. We have at FS 10 students. We have 45 students at the nursing. Did I forget anything? IED, we have students. So I want you to keep winning those scholarships. Keep winning those scholarships. On behalf of my wife and I, to the parents, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. आपकी सपोर्ट के बगैर ये बच्चे नहीं कर सकते थे. तो हम आपके ग्रेटफुल हैं. बहुत शुक्रिया. इंशाल्लाह आज एक दिन ये खड़े रहे कि ये बच्चे भी इस तरह की स्पीचेस करेंगे क्योंकि उनकी भी my family, I think most of them are up in Canada and United States watching live, so I want to tell them we are together and inshallah we'll do more. Thank you very much.